hope that the camera, the quality looks good. It's actually getting dark outside, which I'm not mad about normally. But hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming another holiday look. Today I will be doing a gold eye look with a pop of red lipstick, which I'm gonna be right back because I completely forgot to bring my red lipstick with me. So I'm not gonna make this a super chatty video because I also want to put this video on my Instagram. So I'm gonna, whenever I film videos on Instagram and I'm like talking and it's like short, I don't like the way how I'm talking while the music is going on. You know, like there's normal, like usually all the makeup videos that are out there in Instagram, they're just no talking. So without that further ado, let's go ahead and get started because I want to see how this turns out. Hopefully I can take really cute pictures here at least. Also, I curled my hair and the curls are already gone, so ignore the fact that my hair is literally like almost not even curled. But I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish primer. I don't know how to feel about the texture. It's like weird. Okay, I'm not gonna talk. When I head to my eyes, I will try and talk a little bit at least to like guide you guys. I restocked on the Total Temptation from Maybelline. I'm gonna mix it in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. This is in the shade Ebony.
Ocean, let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freeze.
Oh, for today's palette, I always use two only. I thought I had more. I have the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. I actually haven't used it for a hot minute. I just don't want it to go to waste. And then I have the, I was gonna say Morphe, Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam. I was not expecting to use this palette for the golds, but there are two golds over here that I'm gonna use. And then this one, I'm gonna use it for like the brown shades. I thought this had a nice gold color, but it doesn't. So I don't know, it took me by surprise. There is this one, but this one leans more towards a bronzy gold, and that's not what I'm looking for. I was looking for like a light gold. First, for the gold, just so you guys can have like a little bit of what I'm doing, a little bit of a look out. I'm going to be using, I haven't used this in a hot minute, you guys, so don't come at me, but this is the Kylie, I don't even know how it's called, yo. This was in her holiday collection. I think the first year that Kylie Cosmetic was like launched, I think it was like 2 years ago, and I don't know if you guys know from where this collection is, let me know. This is called Yellow Gold, and I did not think I was gonna use this. I just came across it and I was like, wait, this is like a nice gold. So I'm gonna put this one first and then top it with like a soft glam gold tone.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain is pouring.
So I'm just going in dabbing motion first and then I'm gonna blend it afterwards. Did I say dabbing? I hope I didn't say dabbing. I meant tapping. If I said dabbing, I don't know. I love how bright this looks, but I just don't like the fact that this mirror looks like dark on me and I can barely see my eye because I'm right under the light.
We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance.
I'm gonna take another brown, a little bit darker. I'm gonna apply it on the outer corner, the outer V, going in tapping motions first and then blending it in circular motion. And I'm gonna take a darker color, yes, a darker brown. And I'm gonna, of course, put that on the outer part. Ooh, I love how this color looks. I feel like I don't like to blend it in circular motions with this brush. I feel like it's too small, but I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my cut crease. I'm gonna go in with the shade that the Kylie single pod shadow thing, Yellow Gold Assault. Ooh, she's not super pigmented. Never mind. I think I'm gonna have to put it with my finger. I'm not sure with Fix Plus. No. Going with our finger. I don't know, it could probably be the fact that this shade is like 2 years old, but enough of that shade. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other gold because I feel like it's just not gonna work. From the Soft Glam, I'm gonna go in with the color Fairy, which is this shade right here, and I'm actually gonna use the brush because I know this shade is hella pigmented.
I am on my way, I'm in motion.
Yes, and don't worry if it looks crazy, you guys. I promise we're going to blend everything well. And I'm gonna go ahead and go back with that brown that I applied. Now I'm taking the dark brown again and applying a little bit more. Blend it in with the gold a little bit.
Christmas times. We'll be chilling and
I'm gonna go in with foundation. This is the one we're using. CoverGirl Stylist Healthy Elixir Foundation. I'm in the shade Buff Face. Yeah, I'm actually going to try it today with a brush. I'm using this one from Real Techniques. But you guys know the drill. And what I've been doing lately is that I go ahead and I spray some Fix Plus. Oh, I don't know why I shaped it. I haven't tried it with a brush, but I don't know how it's going to look on my face.
and I can promise Santa's
I don't like how it's blending.
No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and conceal and then cream contour. And I'm using another concealer. I'm not using the Makeup Revolution one. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this one has a hint of pink.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is.
I know a lot of you guys want like an updated foundation routine because I've changed it, but I did do it on my everyday makeup routine, which it was recently, so I will leave it on the iCard. Using my Graftobian Cosmetics, what is this called? I don't even know. Graftobian HD Glamour Cream Super Palette in the shade Warm. Okay, this is drying on me because I've been using this for about like a year. Okay, now that we have blended all the contour, I'm gonna go back with the Beauty Blender and make sure that everything is blended. There's no cream stain. I'm using the air spun to bake. Okay, now while it's baking, I'm not gonna talk at all because this is a moment where I go ahead and apply falsies and all that stuff, and I try and hurry because I don't like baking so that long. Okay, I'm gonna apply these off camera. I dusted off the whole powder, all the baking that we did. Now I'm gonna take a brush and I'm gonna finish my under eye and use the same browns. Now I'm going in with my inner corner and I'm gonna show you guys because it's not. I'm gonna go in with these. I think I'm going in with this one first and see how it looks. I feel like this is like a super bright color and I freaking love it. I don't see it, but this has been my holy grail and my go-to lately. I'm gonna go in with for my bottom lashes with the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash. Didn't I bring a small one? I'm pretty sure I did. It's just I'm running out of that one, so I have like a sample here. Now I'm gonna fast forward the rest of my face just because, like I said, it's always the same thing. I will be saying the products that I'm using. I'm using the Tarte Park Avenue Chisel Palette.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
I'm gonna go with blush, and definitely for this I need a mirror, like I need light, just because I don't want to mistaken and put too much. I don't do that. I freaking love this blush. It's like the combo, so I have teal on the background. It's just these two together. I just literally hit myself in the face. They just look so beautiful. Now I'm gonna spray some Fix Plus on my face and apply highlighter, and I'm using this one, of course, by some highlight. You see why I love this? So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette to create my red. Hopefully I create the one that I have in mind because I don't want a super vibrant red. Kind of low-key want one as well. Like I don't want a red like that. I kind of want a red like this, but I feel like this one is way too red. Okay, this is the kind of red I was kind of looking for. And if I'm not in camera, I'm sorry. It's my lips and I just need full concentration. That lip is popping. Wow, I am obsessed with this color. I knew that I was gonna like this. I was like leaning more towards the gold. Of course you guys want both, so I'm gonna try and film the other one.
Just get better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue.
But this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below which type of looks you want. After this, I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna actually film yearly favorites, what I've been loving the whole 2018. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Now I'm gonna go take pictures on this because she cute or whatever. She cute or whatever. You're looking cute. She poppin'. I'm gonna go now. I need to eat.